It's still 7 o'clock. I think I'll look outside and see what the weather's like. Whoa, it looks amazing outside. Probably really hot. I think I'll go to the beach. I can't go looking like this. I better go and get changed. That's better. I chose this green dress with flowers on so I can fit my swim costume underneath. It's a bit tight on the waist, but I won't be wearing it all day. I'm going to go to the bathroom to brush my teeth, and then I'm going to go downstairs and choose some accessories. Do you like it? I chose this flower clip, this pink bracelet, and this flower bag. It's only small, but all I need to fit in is my favourite book. Hey, we're going to the beach! Woohoo! We're making our way now. I think we're taking a long route, but that doesn't matter. That's our sun house, and this is my sun lounger. It shows the grass is wet. I don't know why, but it sees just that way. It's fine. Oh, it's so cold. The beach turned out like a disaster, and it started to rain, and it turned out we weren't even at the beach. Oh, what am I going to do? Hi, it's Macey here from 7 Glittering Girls, and I hope you enjoyed this week's video of Ultra Beach Day Fail. So, last week's shout-outs go to The Ellie Show and Born to be Fran. So, for a shout-out for next week's video, comment down below if you went to the beach this summer holidays. Bye!